Metal plus acid equals hydrogen. The pop test, decoded. CBSE Class 10 chemistry, acids, bases, and salts. In the lab, a burning matchstick held near a test tube of metal and acid makes a loud pop. Everyone hears it, but why does it pop? And what is hiding inside that test tube? Let's find out the exam way. Picture the acid as a row of hydrogen atoms, each holding onto its acid molecule like a handle. Zinc is the bigger, stronger kid on the playground. In the tug-of-war between zinc and hydrogen, zinc always wins. It pushes hydrogen out of the acid, and hydrogen escapes as a free gas. That gas is hydrogen. Lock in 2 guides before we touch the lab. Guide 1. An acid contains hydrogen that it can give away. Guide 2. Any metal that sits above hydrogen in the reactivity series can push hydrogen out of the acid. Zinc sits above hydrogen, so the displacement is guaranteed. Meet the players. On the left, zinc, a solid metal, and dilute sulphuric acid. Both are about to have a very interesting conversation. On the right, the results. Zinc sulfate, a salt left behind in the tube, and hydrogen gas, which bubbles up and escapes. Zinc took hydrogen's place. That swap is the whole trick. Here's the experiment that makes this question a board favorite. Drop a few zinc granules into dilute sulfuric acid. Immediately, bubbles of hydrogen rise through the liquid. Now bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube. Pop. That pop is hydrogen burning in air, and it is the official test for hydrogen gas. Time to earn 5 marks. This question has been repeated in multiple board exams. What happens when zinc granules are added to dilute sulfuric acid? Write the balanced equation and describe how you would test the gas evolved. Step 1. Zinc displaces hydrogen, forming zinc sulfate and releasing hydrogen gas. Step 2. Bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube. The gas burns with a pop sound, confirming it is hydrogen. The trap. Many students write, burns with a blue flame. Wrong. Hydrogen pops. And forget the balanced equation, and you lose a mark too. Write both, and the 5 marks are yours. Remember the 3-second summary. Pop sound means hydrogen. Balanced equation means marks. See you in the next video.